Leprosy is an infectious disease that is caused by a bacteria. It is mainly found in tropical or subtropical climates. Unfortunately, there is an outbreak of leprosy occurring in Florida. It is believed that the bacteria has spread from other parts of the world. Leprosy affects the skin, eyes, and nerve endings. Some of the symptoms include skin lesions, loss of sensation in the hands and feet, and vision loss. The primary concern with this outbreak is that it can easily spread from person to person. It can be contracted simply by touching another person who has the disease. Health officials are taking various measures to contain the outbreak. Quarantine is being imposed in the affected area and medical treatment is being offered to those affected. Education campaigns have been launched in order to explain to people the symptoms and methods of prevention. The healthcare system in Florida has been stretched to its limit due to the outbreak. Hospitals and healthcare centers are overflowing with patients seeking help. Some of the local communities have been adversely affected by the outbreak. Schools and other establishments have been closed in order to try to prevent the spread of the disease. The outbreak of leprosy in Florida has caused a great amount of panic and fear. People are scared to leave their homes out of fear that they may contract the disease. The Florida Department of Health is working hard to contain the spread of the disease. Medical personnel are being redeployed to affected areas to investigate and contain the outbreak. Health officials are also conducting educational campaigns to inform the public about the risks and methods of prevention. Health experts are attempting to find a cure for the disease. However, due to the complexity of the disease, a cure is still far away. The outbreak of leprosy in Florida has caused a great amount of debate and discussions among health experts. Researchers are attempting to develop a vaccine that can help to prevent the spread of the disease. Doctors are recommending that people in the affected areas get tested for the disease, as early detection is the key to preventing its spread. The Florida government is providing financial aid to those affected by the outbreak. This aid will help to cover medical expenses and losses due to the outbreak. Many organizations are raising funds for those affected by the outbreak. The funds will be used to provide medical treatment and assistance to those affected. The local communities are also coming together to help those affected by the outbreak. People are donating money, food, and other supplies to help those in need. The outbreak of leprosy in Florida has generated awareness about the disease. People are now more conscious about the risks involved in contracting the disease. Due to the outbreak, there is a heightened awareness about the importance of preventive measures such as hand washing and avoiding contact with people who are infected. Unfortunately, there are still many misconceptions about the disease. People are scared and unwilling to get tested for the disease due to fear of discrimination. The outbreak of leprosy in Florida is a reminder that it is important to be aware of the risks associated with infectious diseases. We must take the necessary precaution. It is important to remember that leprosy is not a death sentence. It is highly treatable and the prognosis is much better when the disease is detected and treated early. We must also remember that those affected by the disease should be treated with respect and care. We must strive to bring an end to the stigma associated with leprosy. Health experts all over the world are monitoring the outbreak of leprosy in Florida. They are studying the outbreak in order to gain a better understanding of the disease.